boy Wonder.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back?
What up, snackies? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So y'all know I had to finish off these lobster tails, right? So you know it's the next day, and if they don't get ate today, they won't get ate at all.
You gonna burn the whole stuff, bro? You left the oven on, you know?
Oh, I'm sorry.
400 degrees.
Can you turn it off?
Sure.
So as you guys just heard, I warmed these sapsuckers up in the oven, so they may look a little dry. But we're gonna see. We're gonna try them and we're gonna see, okay? Yeah. Let me start from the back. So y'all know I record on the weekend and I took a nap. Babe left to go get water. Came back and like I always say, I don't always have my phone next to me. And as soon as he came through the door, I looked at him and smiled and he was like, "Babe, Kobe Bryant died." And I was like, "What?" He was like, "Yeah, in a helicopter crash." So I'm like, "What?" He was like, "Come see." And he showing me the clip on CNN. Y'all, let's snack. And my heart just broke because as soon as he showed me the clip, I saw that reading that said that his 13-year-old daughter was also with him and passed as well. And I'm just like, oh my gosh. Like, yo, life is so short. It's so precious. Like, let's get into that lobster. I know where I was spitting that in my mouth in one bite. It's clearly 4 bites. But that just like broke my heart. And I can only imagine what the families are going through. And his wife, like, not only did she lose a husband, but a child. Like, oh my gosh. The kind of pain. Wow. Y'all, tell your family and show your family that you love them as often as possible. Life gets away from us sometimes, but yeah, this is really good. I'm sorry. I just got water today, y'all. Regular old Zephyr Hills. So, were any of you guys Kobe fans, Lakers fans? And I know this going up late in the week and you guys are not gonna see this, so I may be, you know, re-traumatizing you guys because I don't think this video is coming out until Friday. But how did you guys take the news? Where were you when you heard the news? It kind of made me think about, I think because his daughter was with him, that kind of made it hurt worse. But, well, I don't think, I know. But it made me think about Aaliyah. And I remember being in the 9th grade when Aaliyah passed, and coming home from school and hearing that news, I was like, whoa, you know? I cried and everything. I was not a Lakers fan. I do watch basketball. My favorite basketball player growing up, well, not even growing up, because growing up, you know, that was like a MJ, Michael Jackson. Everybody liked Michael Jackson. But as an adult, my favorite player was Dwayne Wade. You know, the Miami Heat, Dwayne Wade had the rep for the Florida Peeps. So I did have some type of, you know, connection to the NBA and stuff like that. But as far as that, but that's just wow. Life's short, y'all. And when people say get back home safely, you know, that's so underrated. Like, some people really never get home safely. And I know I've said it a lot out of just habit. Kind of like you become sensitized, almost desensitized to like saying it. But wow. So where were you guys when you heard the news? How y'all felt? Were you guys a Kobe fan? Were you a Lakers fan? Just some of that chewy stuff that be under the underbelly. Like that. Did I give you guys a bite? But my mind thinking about so much stuff. I got butter on these. And because they was cold, you know. You can see it cold in it a little bit. Yeah, I see that dried up butter. Touching it. But y'all, hug your family. Let them know how much you care about them. Tomorrow not promised. It's Friday, y'all. What y'all doing this weekend? You know what I think I'm gonna start doing? Instead of cutting from the top, cause I see Sharika and Ryan do this. They cut their lobster from the bottom. And when you cut from the bottom, I don't know, I think it's easier to like tear some of that skin. That be underneath the bottom. Cause that's the part that be like, it's like tendon almost. See, there was a little piece of it. Alright, y'all. I had 3. I don't know if I can go. Let me try another one. I'm gonna say this gonna be a short video. Oh. See that skin right up underneath there. This sauce is so good. This is the Crafty Crab Boom sauce. This was cooked to perfection. As soon as I bit it, just bit through it like butter. That one was perfection. Seasonings at the bottom. I think these were 5, no, 7. I think these were 7, in between 5 or 7 ounces. So it's way more meat than the small Atlantic 4 ounce lobster tails. So sis can't finish that. I'm gonna finish these. Peppers though. So keep on repping. Repping for the home team. Bam you. Bam you. Bam got you. Y'all, tell the people that you love them. Show the people that you love them. Life is precious. Life is short. We know our birthday. We do not know our death date. Be who you are. Be beautiful. Take care of yourself because self-care matters. Don't forget that I love you guys to the moon and back. Okay? To the moon and back, baby. And until the next video, love, peace, and hair oil. Peace.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that.